Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel's surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify them using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Locate the cabinet face frame and upper door fronts with hinges. Lay the frame on your work surface facing up and install the doors with your drill and screws provided. Flip the frame over on your work surface so it's facing down. Install the metal brackets at the top, center, and bottom of the frame. Then, apply a thin layer of wood glue to all the joint grooves on the back of the frame. Insert the side panels into the joint grooves of the frame with the notched corner for the toe kick facing downward and at the bottom. Align the grooves on the side panels with the grooves on the frame. Gently tap the panels with your rubber mallet to eliminate any gaps and ensure a tight fit. Make sure the side panels are properly seated and aligned before securing them to the metal brackets with your drill and screws. Locate the top, mid, and bottom panels. Slide the top and bottom panels into the joint grooves of the side panels and face frame, then gently tap with your rubber mallet to eliminate any gaps. Make sure the panels are properly seated and aligned before securing them to the face frame with your Senko fastener. Note: we recommend always wearing safety glasses when using nail guns or other pneumatic tools. Next, slide the mid panels into place within the joint grooves of the side panels and face frame. Locate the back panel and glide supports. Lay the back panel on your work surface and install the glide supports into the pre-drilled holes. Place the panel on the back of your cabinet box with the glide supports facing down and towards the bottom of the cabinet. Use your drill to install the provided screws into the pre-drilled holes at the top, center, and bottom of the back panel. Make sure it's properly aligned before securing it to the side and bottom panels with your stapler. Set the cabinet box aside while you assemble the drawers. Locate all drawer panels. Place the drawer front face down on your work surface. Install the drawer sides by aligning the dovetail joints and using your rubber mallet to tap them into place, assuring they are firmly connected. Slide the drawer bottom panel into the grooves of the sides and gently tap with your rubber mallet to eliminate any gaps. Insert the drawer back panel by aligning the dovetail joints and assuring the bottom panel is properly seated in the joint grooves. Gently tap with your rubber mallet to ensure a tight fit. Make sure all drawer panels are properly aligned before tacking them together with your nail gun on all four corners. Turn your drawer box over so the bottom is facing upward. Attach the soft close triggers to the front of the drawer box. Align the drawer box with the drawer's face panel and attach them using the screws provided. Attach the bumpers to the corners of the drawer's face panel. Lay the cabinet box on your work surface facing up and locate your toe kick. Set the toe kick in place, making sure it's properly aligned before securing it with your Senko fastener. Set your cabinet box upright to install the drawers. Locate your drawer glides. Install the drawer glides into the glide supports and attach to the face frame with your drill and screws provided. Extend the glides and place your drawer boxes on top. Push the drawers back until they click into place. Congratulations on completing your assembly.